Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's see how to update the OBS Studio to the latest version. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's try to open the OBS Studio. OBS Studio. Okay, so here I have already opened the OBS Studio. Suppose if you want to update it to the latest version means what you can do is like you just select this help, go to click on help, and here you can see check for updates. Click on check for updates. It will check if there is any new update is available. So here you can see the new update is available, OBS Studio 30.2.1. Okay, so here you can see if you update it to the latest version, what are the new features which are available in the new updated OBS Studio. Okay, suppose if you want to update it means you can click on update now, click on update now. Okay, so once you click on that particular option, it will show like this waiting for the OBS exit. So like if you want to update it to the latest version means you have to close the OBS Studio. Okay, so let's try to close it. So this is how you can update the OBS Studio to the latest version. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.